In primetime news this evening, thousands of statutory declarations filed, yet only a small fraction examined. The Integrity Commission explains why. Government faces backlash over deportation of Haitians on the weekend. And yet another housing development in the spotlight.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Javon Keys is here.
Well, Janella, I have the latest from Scotia Group Jamaica. Their third quarter results are out and they're seeing improvements. I'll have the details later.
Thank you, Keys. And Spencer Darlington has a preview of Primetime Sports. Spencer?
Thank you very much, Archie. Well, the Reggae Boys will be in action again at the National Stadium in a few minutes' time in CONCACAF Nations League action. We'll have a live report in Primetime Sports later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the skit showing the PNP President Mark Golding freeing a man in bondage on the political platform last Sunday? Again, what are your thoughts about the skit showing the PNP President Mark Golding freeing a man in bondage on the political platform last Sunday?
And you can share your comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us in the news in detail after the break.